Deleting photos in Lightroom Classic is straightforward. So in this video, I'm going to show you a straightforward guide on how to delete photos in Lightroom. So the first thing you have to do is go to the library module and select the photo or photos you want to delete. Then click on the photos to select it. So to select multiple photos, hold down the control keys on window, and if it is on Mac, just hold the CMD key, then click on each photo you want to delete. So to delete the photo, press the delete key on your keyboard. A dialog box will appear. Ask if you want to remove the photos from Lightroom or delete it from the disk. So from the Lightroom, if you want to choose remove, the photo will be removed from Lightroom but will remain on your hard drive. So if you choose delete from disk, the photo will be permanently deleted from your hard drive. And that is the two methods at which you can delete photo in Lightroom, or you can also delete photos from Lightroom and also reflect it on your hard drive. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.